Will Emma Cary be the most successful female athlete ever at Mayhem?
Who is currently the most successful ever? Oh. Hey, that's an interesting.
I would argue the Nisler and Williamson, but yeah, I agree. I guess
Get out of
if
here.
we're talking about
Stop
only
it.
individuals.
No.
Haley was 5th place.
Hey, Emma, Paige Powers, Bailey Rail, and Haley Adams. That's a stable of animals they got over there. I'm sure I'm leaving someone out. Who else they got?
Women?
Yeah.
You said Rail?
Victoria
Bailey.
Campos.
Oh, yeah. But those other 4 are like staples. Like I think if you go there and you open the door, you're like, yep, there they are.
She lives there now, too, or she did.
I wonder.
Last year.
I wonder if there's any threatenedness by Emma Cary, any cattiness.
But what do you call? Well, she'd have no experience of that. Facundo said that he pairs them off, and doesn't pair. He worked with UN or whatever in diplomacy and shit. So he's pretty good at this shit. But he paired them off. He has all the different athletes paired off with other athletes that he thinks will complement but not threaten, but will work
male, female,
and weaknesses. Some male. That
I guess Logan and Roman are paired together.
Well, I think they were. Yeah, from what he said, they were kind of paired together because Roman will say, "Let's go gym," and Logan will say, "Okay," and they'll go. But I think he's pairing people with oh, that guy's really, really good at weightlifting, and that guy needs to work on his weightlifting, and the guy that needs to work on his weightlifting is insane at cardio, and this other guy needs to work on his cardio, so let's put them two together. But then in other instances, he's pairing a male with a female to avoid that kind of button of heads.